Hello you guys, welcome back to Video Tech Up. Today we will be talking about how to mirror a video in the easiest way. Ever had a video playing in the wrong direction? Well, if you've ever found yourself with a video that's playing in the wrong direction, the Video Flipper is your one-click solution. No need to redo the entire shoot, just mirror and flip it, and you're back on track. It's like a magic wand for your video orientation troubles. In this tutorial, we will show you how to mirror a video in the easiest way. Before we dive into today's tutorial, please allow me to introduce to you the software that we will be using here, and that is VideoProc Converter. As the best option to flip and mirror a video in any direction, VideoProc Converter can easily mirror a video without compromising quality. The Video Flipper comes with a range of supported video formats and resolutions. It provides precise controls, allowing you to customize your flip to match your vision with exceptional quality throughout the entire process. Alright, so now free download VideoProc Converter through the link in the description box down below, and let's get into the tutorial. First, launch the software, click on Video Converter, and import the video clips you wish to mirror. Next, in the lower tab, select Toolbox and click on the Mirror and Flip tool. This will bring you to the Mirror and Flip panel. Select vertical flip or horizontal flip based on your needs to mirror a video vertically or horizontally. And if you don't want to process the whole footage, you can specify the start time and end time here to trim the video first, and then change the orientation of the selected video clip and output it. The preview window will display the real-time result. Once finished, click Done to confirm the changes, and return to the main interface. Click on Run to export the finished project. Alright, this is all for today's video, and leave a comment down below to let us if it helps. And if you want to know more about video processing, click that subscribe button to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And we will see you in our next video.